Different rotor types are suitable for handling various types and volumes of sample containers. Types of rotors: fixed angle rotors. Description: samples are held at a fixed angle to the axis of rotation. Use: ideal for rapid sedimentation and cell harvesting. Swinging bucket rotors. Description: buckets swing out horizontally as the rotor spins. Use: suitable for large volume samples and general-purpose centrifugation. Vertical rotor. Description: samples are aligned vertically along the axis of rotation. Used for zonal centrifugation and density gradient separations. Continuous flow rotor. Description: samples flow continuously into the rotor during operation. Use for high-throughput processing and continuous separation. Zonal rotor. Description: designed for high-speed ultracentrifugation. Use specialized for separating particles based on density. Adapter rotor. Description: adapts to hold different tube sizes. Use provides versatility for various sample volumes and container types. Selecting the right rotor type is crucial for optimizing centrifugation processes based on sample characteristics and experimental goals. To learn more about our range of centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding rotor types, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.